Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Akmal bin Ahmad Khairul.
Your voice brightly.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Oman Hakim Bizambrus.
Hello, hi. My name is Adin Amraki Ramadan.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ismail.
You must be wondering, why are we here? Well, a few weeks ago, our beloved lecturer Puan Nur Ain had a problem, and it's our job to fix it. So, wanna come along? Let's go.
Hello, hi everyone. Let me explain about the problem statement of this question. Stay tuned with me. Let's go. Okay, first of all, let's we identify the figure here. So the position of the rooms, FCU and ASU room. Okay guys, let me explain about the problem statement. Okay, the position of room 1 is shown in the figure 1 as now I showed you. Okay, the position of room 1 is hot indeed in spite of the fact that room 1 is closest to the FCU and the ASU room. In the event, compare that room 2 and room 3. Room 2 and room 3 is cooler than room 1. Indeed, in spite of the fact it's the most remote from FCU and the ASU. And all the room 1, room 2 and room 3 are confronting from the sunlight. However, room 4, room 5 and room 6 is normally working and are in cool state. This is put a question on our aids. Room 1 is the only one that is not cool and not working as well that as the temperature is set at.
Hi, and now it's my turn to explain on what's going on behind the problem. Stay tuned. So one of the quick explanation is probably the pressure difference between the air supply duct and the room themselves. Now, based on Bernoulli's theorem, we know that as the velocity increases, the pressure will get decreased, and this is likely what happened during the air vent. Now, this will make sense when we consider that in order for a ventilation to work, the pressure inside the room has to be lower than that of the air vent. I will is going by the assumption, and I will be showing through a diagram which might help a bit. So as we can see here, the FCU is relatively closer to room 1. Hence, as the air that flown out of FCU will have a higher velocity, and considering that if the pressure at room 1 is higher than that of the supply air, there will be some sort of airlock which prevents the supply air from entering. Now keep in mind that this is a high velocity airflow, which means that the pressure here is going to be lower. So as you can see that in room 3 there's no continuation, and there's also a significant amount of length between the FCU and the room itself. So we're going to assume that as the air flow through the vent, it's going to lose a few of its energy, hence lowering its velocity. Now when velocity is getting lower, it will have a higher pressure, and couple that with an end duct, so the pressure build up within this section would have been higher than that in room 3, hence why the air can flow into room 3 since there is no airlock occurring at room 3. So that is the there is the most simplest explanation that I can explain.
Now I will show you how to solve this issue. This is MCU, fan coil unit, this main duct in the room, the flexi duct for the other's room. Here is flexi duct to one or I's room. In order to solve this issue, we need to squeeze the flexi duct. Squeeze this flexi duct become narrow. In order to let the airflow will blow faster.
Well, what can we conclude from our little experiment? First, air supply from the ventilation is required to be at a higher pressure than the pressure in the room, which will allow a positive to a negative flow. Secondly, being that the distance between the fan coil unit and also the room 1 being at a short distance, this creates a high velocity which causes the pressure within the vent to be low. This in turn will prevent any airflow into room 1. But I know a lot of you guys are going to be saying, but Akmal, my room is still okay now. What should I do to prevent this? Well, I'm going to tell you a little secret. Here's how it goes. First of all, I highly recommend that you always be aware of your surrounding and point out any drastic changes that you see in the room. This will help a lot. Then, maybe setting the room temperature at the recommended temperature. A lot of people always forget about this. And finally, I don't know, maybe consider having a standalone flowing device like a fan or blower to help distribute air in and out of the room easily. Well, this is kind of optional, but maybe consider having the maintenance team of the building do a monthly or yearly checkup to see if the machinery has any problems. This could help for a long-term solution. Well, this has come to the end of the session. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like because this could help me a lot. And inshallah, I'll be seeing you guys again next time. Assalamualaikum.